It's official. We have a new winner in the Betway Premiership, and it's Orlando Pirates, who have secured the league title on the last day of the season, beating Orbit College with 2 own goals. What a bizarre scenario it is. With the first goal, the keeper punching the ball into his own net, and the second goal, the defender chipping his own goalkeeper. So Orlando Pirates' wait for a league title has come to an end after 14 years of trying and finishing second place 3 seasons in a row. They were like the Arsenal of South African football. Now, here's what Abdeslam Moadu said after winning the title. He says, "I work with passion, and it's difficult to lead such a big team like Orlando Pirates. It was a very difficult season, and I'm tired. I'm very, very tired. We'll speak about next season, about what can happen. I need energy. I need power. Without energy, it will be difficult to continue. We will see it. I'm speaking with emotions. It was a long season with lots of pressure, and we will speak. We will see." So yeah, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think Abdeslam Moadu is saying here when he says he'll speak? Do you think that he wants to leave Orlando Pirates? Do you think that maybe he's saying that Orlando Pirates put me on a better position to negotiate with bigger teams? Let me hear your thoughts. Remember, Abdeslam Moadu took over from Jose Riviero, who had 3 successful seasons with Orlando Pirates, winning 5 trophies. Supporters really adored Jose Riviero. When Abdeslam Moadu took over, people were not sure, saying that the former Marumo Gallants coach doesn't have a big CV, so Pirates will be too much for him. But yeah, he has proven a lot of people wrong, winning the MTN 8, pocketing 10 million, winning the Carling Knockout Cup, securing 6.8 million, and now 20 million rands for the Betway Premiership, meaning that they have secured over 35 million rands. It has been a historic season for Orlando Pirates. And also, we can't forget the recruits that Orlando Pirates brought in, the likes of your Libone Siema, Sipombuli, Tepang Muremi, Kamugelo Sibilibili, Ozwina Police, Yanele Mbutuma, Masindi Nemtanjere, among many players that they have signed. Obviously, it has been a great season in terms of transfer. They got the transfers right. And now, here they are the champions of South African football. And it was also not a one-man show, with Sipho Chain securing 21 clean sheets, a record for the PSL. No keeper has ever had so many clean sheets. So Sipho Chain has 21 clean sheets. Relebohile Mofokeng chipped in with 10 goals and 8 assists, meaning that he's a contender for the player of the season. Even Oswin Apolis, he has 9 goals. He's also a contender for the player of the season also. So we know that Orlando Pirates will take a lot of honors when it comes to the awards. They'll take most of the awards because yeah, their players were very, very good. It has been a historical moment for South African football, with Orlando Pirates breaking Mamelodi Sundowns' stronghold to the Betway Premiership after winning it for the past 8 seasons in a row. Honestly, it seemed like we should give them the title before the season even began, but now they have lost it to Orlando Pirates. However, they are playing on Sunday against AS FAR in the CAF Champions League final second leg, where they will start with an advantage after winning 1-0 on home soil. Now, should they win or draw that game, they will be the champions of Africa. What a moment it would be for South African football. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Orlando Pirates winning this league title? Are you happy with Orlando Pirates and also Abdeslam Moadu? Remember, people have been questioning him when it comes to his team selection. For the past 2 games, he selected Simphiwe Silepe, and people were complaining regarding Silepe. Now Silepe won the man of the match in this game. So he says, From not playing the whole season to coming here in the last game and claiming the man of the match, it has been amazing. That's Simphiwe Silepe, who won the man of the match in today's game. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts. Do you still doubt Abdeslam Wadu? Was it a fluke, or do you think that he is a talented coach? Remember, Orlando Pirates have been building. They've been building for the past 5 seasons. They've been doing so well. So these are the fruits of management taking great decisions. Now they have reaped their fruits. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.